Hi everyone, this video is going to be all about applying your mascara. To start, there are a lot of different types of mascaras. It all depends on the type of wand you have. Some are larger, some are shorter, some have larger bristles, almost no bristles, are curved, sometimes they're not curved, things like that, which is all, they all have a different purpose, whether it's to lengthen your eyelashes, to give them more volume, to spread them more. It all depends on the type of wand that's on the mascara. In my opinion, it's always easier to start with a smaller wand where you can just get deep into the lashes, like at their root, and then it just paints them all black. Like actually the root that's there, like the first thing that comes out of your skin, you want that to be black as well, because that is actually going to determine whether your lashes are going to look full and long or not. If you just paint the tips, it's not going to look good. So how do you want to apply it? First of all, you might want to take a mirror that's really close to you, even a magnifying mirror if you have something like that. Then you might want to look down, since a lot of people when they apply mascara, they get to this eyelid that's here, like the skin that's up there, but when you look down, there's a lot more space between your eyelashes and your eyelid, which makes it a lot easier to just go there. Then you want to start at the root, like I said, and you want to just wiggle a little bit just to get all that mascara, all the blackness, just get it onto the root of the eyelashes, and then just move them towards the ends. Make sure that you color the ends like really black, so that you actually lengthen your own eyelashes. And then if you feel like, you can also do the lower lashes, which is, again, if you look down a little, there's a lot more space between your eyelashes and like your under eye bag, so that it's easier to just get there without smudging all over your other makeup. So what to do if after a while your makeup gets kind of clumpy and just it isn't that smooth anymore? Just throw it away. I mean, every few months you should get a new mascara. If you don't, it's like bacteria is gonna grow in there, and I mean the chances of getting an eye infection they're there. So if your mascara gets clumpy, just throw it out. You're done with it. Just get a new one. So that's it for this video on how to apply mascara and just a few tips and tricks here and there around mascara. I hope you guys learned something, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!